It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, Ecotec 3 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac is driving the world forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.